A wire carousel for manufacturers, traders, distributors, retailers, and wholesalers. And for large consumers of wire ropes, electrical cables, telecom cables, and wires. Reels and spools storage is organized using a wire carousel. Vertical carousel for wires helps dispense, measure, and cut wire from spools in a single operation. By using unused vertical space, the carousel helps save valuable floor space at the point of sale or point of use. Vertical storage of wires and spools saves time by storing and dispensing cables and wires. Time is saved by keeping inventory well organized and visible, thus increasing the efficiency of operations. Compact, dense, simple, secure handling and storage of wire reel spools enhances safety in warehouses and showrooms. Stores cable spools between 150 to 750 mm, widths up to 500 mm in a carrier 1800 mm long. System is generally 5.6 meters high, 4.2 meters deep, 2.45 meters long, and requires 300 mm clearance at top from ceiling. The carousel rotates at 6.4 meters per minute up and down, handles maximum carrier load of 200 kg. Modular frames can hold 2 to 3 smaller reels. Spinner rolls can carry up to 6 smaller reels. Without removing the spool, it can unwind, measure, wind, and cut up to 136 kg of wire from spools. Optional trolley helps load and unload spools in the system. Cable reels are suspended on a tubular frame through center bore. Tubular frame held up by pins on roller chain links. Front wire mesh guard protects 1.7 meters above the floor. There is a protection guard at the back. Basic controls include a safety keypad, an emergency stop, and up and down push buttons. There are 3 wire bays in each carrier. Spool 750 mm diameter, 0.55 meter wide may fit into each bay. 7 swappable spool positions for every bay offers 21 positions in total per carrier. Spinner spool stores less than equal to 250 mm diameter spools. Features 8 interchangeable rods per spinner and 24 possible positions. With a single operation, a cable wire retailing cart can cut, measure, weigh, and rewind up to 136 kg of wire from spools without having to remove the spool. Optional add-on system contains re-roller, cutter, and wire counter. Optional loading dollies for spools up to 136 kg for quick and easy spool loading and unloading.